Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have your clip on the timeline. Then, go over to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type in Crop to find the crop effect. Once you see it, click and drag the crop effect onto your clip in the timeline. With the clip selected, head over to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you'll find the crop effect settings. To crop the video, you can adjust these values. But an easier way is to simply select the crop effect and drag the handles around the video clip to adjust the crop amount. This method is straightforward and lets you crop from any side. If you want to animate the crop, you can do that too. In the Effect Controls panel, click the stopwatch icon next to the side you want to animate. Move the playhead to the point where you want the crop animation to end. Then, adjust the crop amount, and Premiere Pro will automatically create an animation between the starting and ending points. And that's how you crop video in Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.